Ever wondered which AI skills will actually make you money in 2025? Not just cool to talk about, but real, income-generating skills? The kind of skills companies are desperate for right now? Or the ones freelancers are charging $100 an hour to use? What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could master 7 of them? 7. The exact same skills powering the biggest AI success stories this year. And no, you don't need a tech degree to start. You just need a roadmap, and I've got that for you. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Because that tool alone might flip your AI journey entirely. Alright, you ready? Let's talk about the 7 high-value AI skills that actually matter. And how to learn them in just 30 days. But first, quick favor. I drop these AI money-making tools every single week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe right now. And don't forget to click the bell button. Alright, let's dive in. Skill number 1. Prompt engineering. Think of prompts like magic spells for AI. Most people type random stuff and hope for the best. But pros? They engineer their prompts for gold standard results. They make AI do exactly what they want. Want a marketing plan? Done. Need a full script for YouTube? Done. Want a logo idea, ad copy, or course outline? All from one masterful prompt. That's why prompt engineering is skill number 1. Days 1 to 4 of your 30-day plan, all about this. Day 1. Learn the RCTAF framework. Role, context, task, audience, format. That's the secret behind perfect AI instructions. Day 2. Practice writing prompts using that formula. Day 3. Compare your outputs, tweak and refine. Day 4. Build your reusable prompt bank. Congrats, you've just unlocked the first core skill. Skill number 2. AI automation. This one's a game changer. You know all those boring, repetitive tasks you hate doing? I can do them on autopilot. Email replies, data entry, file sorting. You name it, AI can automate it. Days 5 to 10, your automation sprint. Day 5. Identify one process you waste time on. Day 6. Map out the steps it takes. Day 7. Use a tool like Zapier or Make to automate it. Day 8. Add AI logic, make it smart. Day 9. Test, refine, improve. Day 10. Let the system run itself. You've just saved hours every week. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Skill number 3. AI data analysis. This is where you start thinking like a strategist. Data isn't boring, it's power. It's hidden money. Every business sits on data, but few know what to do with it. That's where you come in. You'll learn how to turn numbers into decisions. Days 11 to 15 are all about data analysis. Day 11. Learn how to load and read simple datasets. Day 12. Try an AI data tool, ChatGPT with data analysis mode, or Notable. Day 13. Ask smart questions like, which product sells best? Day 14. Summarize insights into plain English. Day 15. Turn those insights into one actionable recommendation. That's how you become valuable in any company. Skill number 4. AI copywriting. Words still sell, but AI makes it faster. You don't need to be a pro writer anymore. You just need to guide AI to write for you. Days 16 to 19 are all about this. Day 16. Learn the basic copywriting structure, hook, problem, solution, CTA. Day 17. Use AI to generate 3 versions of your message. Day 18. Refine and combine. Day 19. Test your copy, post it online or in an ad. Watch what people click on. You've just created money with words, literally. Skill number 5. AI design. Design is no longer just for designers. AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo can create stunning visuals. And that's in seconds, not hours. Days 20 to 23, your creative AI sprint. Day 20. Pick a design goal, logo, thumbnail, banner. Day 21. Generate 10 variations using AI. Day 22. Choose your best and refine. Day 23. Publish your design, make it real. Now you've got portfolio pieces. Skill number 6. AI software development. Don't scroll away. This one sounds scary, but it's not. You don't need to code. You just need to build logic. Tools like Replit AI, Bolt.new, or even ChatGPT's code interpreter can do the rest. Days 24 to 26, your coding confidence sprint. Day 24. Pick one small problem to solve. Day 25. Use AI to generate your first prototype. Day 26. Test it, fix bugs with AI's help. Boom! You've just built your first app or automation. From zero code. Skill number 7. Strategic AI thinking. The final skill. This one separates users from leaders. AI doesn't replace your brain, it amplifies it. Strategic thinkers use AI to create offers, content, and businesses. Days 27 to 30, your final mastery sprint. Day 27. Define your offer, who it helps and why. Day 28. Create a one-page pitch using AI tools. Day 29. Send it to one real person, get feedback. Day 30. Refine, polish, and present it again. You now have a complete AI-powered business model. Let's recap the 7 skills fast. 1. Prompt engineering. 2. Automation. 3. Data analysis. 4. Copywriting. 5. Design. 6. Software development. 7. Strategic thinking. Master these and you're not replaceable, you're unstoppable. Because AI doesn't eliminate humans. It rewards the ones who use it best. You can learn each of these in one focused month. 1 week per skill, that's all it takes. And remember, speed beats perfection. Don't wait for someday. Start your 30 days today. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Oh wait, we're here. That tool is your leverage point. It's proof that even one small AI experiment can bring results. You don't need to be an expert, you need to start. Here's a secret. The biggest winners in AI aren't the smartest. They're the fastest to apply. The ones who test. Who learn, fail, adjust, win. AI isn't magic, it's leverage. And right now, leverage is everything. You're living in the single biggest tech shift of our lifetime. Don't just scroll through it, build with it. Think back 10 years. Who won with social media? The early adopters. Who will win with AI? You, if you start right now. Imagine 30 days from now. You've learned to prompt like a pro. Built an automation that saves you hours. Analyzed real data. Written persuasive AI copy. Designed with AI. Built something functional. And pitched your offer. That's not theory, that's transformation. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because the next one is going to level you up even faster. I drop AI tools, business ideas, and strategies every week. You don't want to fall behind on this wave. Every upload is a potential income stream. Every skill, a new door. The world is changing faster than ever. The question is, are you changing with it? The people who ignore AI will work for the people who learn it. And the ones who learn it, they win. You already have everything you need. Curiosity, a phone, access to AI tools, and now, a roadmap. Take it and run with it. Don't overthink, just start day one. One prompt. One small win. Then stack the next one. And the next. That's how momentum builds. That's how skills become assets. And that's how you build a career around AI. If this helped, drop a comment below, tell me which skill you're starting with. I actually read every comment. And sometimes, I even reply with bonus resources. So yeah, make sure you do that. Now here's a trick most people miss. You don't need to master all 7 at once. Pick 2 or 3 that excite you most. Go deep on those. AI rewards focus. You can always come back for the rest later. But start with something that gives fast results. Like prompt engineering, it's instant power. Or automation, instant time savings. Or copywriting, instant conversions. Pick your leverage. Build it. Then scale it. And remember, no one's coming to save you. You have to use the tools that exist now. AI isn't the future, it's the present. The question is, what are you going to do about it? You can scroll. Or you can act. You can consume. Or you can create. The next 30 days are your test. Will you learn these skills? Or will you watch someone else do it first? Either way, the opportunity doesn't wait. So take it. Own it. Build your AI advantage. One day. One skill. One action at a time. That's all it takes. Start small, think big, move fast. If you do that, you'll win. The world's moving to AI. Be the one leading it. Don't get left behind. You've got this. You're already ahead, because you're watching this video. Most people never even start. You did. That's step 1. Now take step 2. Apply what you learned today. Even if it's just one skill. Because one skill can change everything. And speaking of change, tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Seriously. It's a tool I've been testing that could 10x your AI results. You don't want to miss it. So go ahead, click subscribe now. Hit that bell button. Because when it drops, you'll be the first to know. And early adopters always win. Alright, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Until then, start your 30-day plan. Pick your skill. Fire up your first AI tool. And make something real. Because learning is cool, but earning from learning? That's the real goal. You can do this. You're ready. You've got the map. Now it's time to move. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Build your AI edge today. I'll see you on day 30, when your skills are worth double. Until then, keep creating. And keep winning.